Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Scott and this is Grassroots NASCAR Racing. Today is Thursday, just before the All-Star race, and we are getting to participate in the hauler parade. So right now it's about 2:30 in the afternoon. We are at the staging area. You can see my truck right back there, and then we got Joe and Thomas behind here, and we're waiting for one more. And then you can see the 18-wheelers right back there. There's Denny Hamlin, and then they just go back. So I think there's about 10 or 12 of them here so far, but we're waiting on the rest. So right now we need to get the car out and get it all ready to go. So let's go do that. All right, so as you can see, the car is unloaded. We got it cleaned up. Let's go down and check out some of the haulers, see who's here. Alright guys, well that's pretty cool. It's pretty awesome seeing these haulers up close and everything, and it looks like we got most of them here, so let's walk back down to the car and be sure we got everything ready to rock and get this parade going. Alright guys, so it is just after 5. Crowds are even starting to show up here at the staging area. We've got all the trucks for sure. We got a lot of people around. People are already taking pictures. We got Bob Caracas right there. Pretty cool. He's gonna ride in the Richard Petty car, which is awesome. But yeah, man, I cannot wait to get this thing started. You like it? Pretty cool, huh?
He said race car. Race car.
Make your best race car sound. Rawr, rawr, rawr.
Can you see over the dash really? Back up.
Not quite, you're down in there pretty far, huh? Alright guys, we have pulled out and we are heading down toward downtown. We got the line of cars in front of us. You guys behind us. So yeah, let's go do this parade. Well, what'd you guys think of that?
That's awesome. I gotta go find Jeff.
That's a good crowd.
Yeah.
How'd your car do? Did it get too hot?
About 240.
Hmm.
It was up there.
Getting up there. Mine got up to about 205, but I had the fan running the whole time.
What'd you do?
What'd you think, Bob? How'd you like that car?
It was a good, awesome car. I think more people are probably cheering for the car than for me, and that's the way it should be, for sure, right? It was good.
I'm sure they loved seeing you.
Good.
That was a good time.
But yeah, no, it was good.
All right, everybody, so that is it. We are back at the staging area. The cars survived the trip. It was a little sketchy there because we were going so slow. I was really hoping we'd go a little faster than that. I really couldn't even idle in first gear. Just kind of had to go back off. But man, that was fun. Lots of people, good crowd, so good times. I'm really glad that we got to do this. So got the car behind us here. Let's get it loaded up and get out of here. Thanks for coming along, guys.